Hey guys, Yvonne here. So I came across this channel called Finance Girl with 178,000 subscribers and 135 videos, and they're making an estimated $500 to $8,000 a month. Now I noticed that the numbers here are usually really underrepresented, so they're probably making between $10,000 to $15,000 a month. Now the coolest thing about this channel though is, so if we head over to their YouTube channel, is that all of their videos use no mic, no camera, no webcam, nothing like that. So everything you can do yourself without having to show yourself and without needing to talk at all. So just to give you an example, if we go ahead and click on this video.
Are you tired of seeing that big fat zero on your account balance?
What it sounds like. And this is basically how the whole video is through. As you can see, they're just using these regular stock images you can find for free, and then they have a voice over it. Sometimes they do show their screen, which I will show you how to do as well. But again, they're not talking at all. They're not showing themselves, nothing like that. And I'm going to show you how you can do this yourself as well so that you can start making money with YouTube. Now, before we get into this, guys, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so you get notified when I release more videos like this showing you how you guys can make money online as well. That being said, let's get into it. So the first thing we have to do if you want to create a compilation of videos like this is you need some sort of video editing tool. And there are different ones you can find. The one free one that I was able to find was called WeVideo. So just head over to wevideo.com, sign up. It should take you no more than 1 minute. Try it for free. And once you do, you should see a dashboard that looks something like this. And then what you're gonna do is go ahead and click on Create New. You're gonna click Video. And so now there are different things we have to add. We have to add our voiceover. We have to add the images. We have to add our screen. And I'm gonna show you how to do every single part, all right? So let's first start off by adding these sorts of images here. Where do you get them for free? Well, again, there are different sites you can go to. The one that I like to use is called pexels.com. And then what you can do is you can literally, for example, type in wallet here. And then if you click on videos, there are 110 videos with a wallet, and boom, look at this. These are videos you can just get completely for free, just like this channel is doing, right? That's exactly what they're doing. It's crazy easy stuff, guys. You don't have to show yourselves at all. If you type, for example, happy man, if you want to show someone smiling, having success, you can take this picture, for example. Tons of different videos you can go through that are completely for free. So let's suppose we want to take this image. What you would do is you would go ahead and you can select your quality. You don't have to select the highest quality, really not needed. You can go full HD. This is more than enough. You can click free download, and now it's going to be added here. Now what you can do is come back into here and drag this right here. And then this is your kind of intro. Oops. Drag it right there. And now this is going to be your intro video. So if you go ahead and click play, you're going to see it look like this. Now it is shown in low resolution for faster preview, so don't worry, it should be higher quality once you actually export this video. But that's as simple as it gets. Now if you want to get another video, right, like let's say over here they have a picture of a wallet, and then they have a picture of a woman smiling, right, counting her money. So let's type in, for example, counting money. And there are 2,100 videos, guys, of people counting their money you can get completely for free. So let's see what this looks like. Boom, right? Okay, so that looks good. Let's say we're happy with that. We're gonna go ahead, click full HD. We're gonna come back here. We're gonna drag this video into here and then drag it here, okay? So again, super easy stuff. And now, all of a sudden you have, let's go to here. Now you have this person smiling, and then you have it go to making money. So just like that, okay? So super easy. Now the next thing we can add is text, right? So a voiceover. So let's suppose you don't want to use your own voice. So if you do want to use your own voice, you can just go ahead and click narrate and you'll be able to use your own voice. So that's kind of the easy alternative. Another thing you can do if you don't want to use your voice is if you go to this site called voicebooking.com, voiceover over any text that you want. So again, you're just gonna go ahead and sign up. Super easy. Again, this is completely free. So once you do sign up and create your account, just go to My Projects, and then you're gonna go to VoiceOver Generator. And it actually sounds really good. So we're gonna go ahead and start a new project. You can give it a name like Make Money with YouTube, for example, and then you can paste your text here, okay? So whatever you want, guys, you can choose the language, you can choose the different voice types that you want. You know, all of these differ, whether you want female or male. You can choose the speed. So let's suppose you want to take this female one, right? You can adjust the speed here. You want it to be like this. You want to change the pitch. And then over here, you can say, for example, want to learn how to make money with YouTube. You know, watch this video and I'll show you exactly how you can make money with it as well. So let's suppose this is it. Again, you can keep adding more and more, really simple. You can go ahead and play it. Okay, so you can play it.
Want to learn how to make money with YouTube? Watch this video and I'll
see if you like it, if you want to increase the speed, decrease the speed, change the pitch, try out all these different voices, maybe do English Great British accent rather than US. You can do that. Once you're ready, you can go ahead and click download, and then this is going to download this whole speech as a voiceover right there. Again, we're going to come back to our Wii video. We're going to go ahead and drag this in here, and we're going to drag this in the audio slot, okay? And then this is just going to keep playing. So we
want to learn how to make money with YouTube? Watch this video and I'll show you exactly how you can make money with it as well.
And that's it. And obviously, you know, the more text you add, the more extended it's going to be, so it'll cover more. But that's basically the idea. Now, in the videos made by Finance Girl, you'll also notice that if they teach you to do stuff, they also actually show their screen at some points just to show you how to do something. And so you can do that with this software as well. So what you're going to do is click record, and you're just going to say record screen. So we're going to click it. We're going to hit next. You can use a mic, or again, you don't have to, so you can go ahead and click no audio. You can click next, and what you're going to do is just select this option so that you can record the whole screen. You can go ahead and click share, and now in 3 seconds it's going to start recording the screen. Okay, so boom, there you are. We are now recording the screen. You'll see the little red thing here. And so let's suppose you are teaching people just like you are here. So hello, my friend, you want to go over here. Here's how you do this, blah, 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 blah. Then you want to go here. You want to do this, blah, blah, blah. Once you're done, you're going to click on stop sharing right over there. And that is it. So now you're going to click save, and it has been added as the screen recording, and it's right here. And if we play it, you will see here that it is showing the screen, okay? So super easy. And that is exactly what this channel here is doing, guys, to get thousands and tens of thousands of views on their videos with 179,000 subscribers, guys. So crazy, crazy stuff. And again, you don't have to show yourself. You don't need to use your voice. Really, really easy to do. And that's what you're going to do the whole way through. So you're going to keep adding new images. You're going to keep adding new text, right? The new audio. You're going to keep adding maybe new different pictures of the screen. Once you are done with the video, right? That's the whole process. That's all you're really going to do. You're going to go ahead and click finish. You can name it. So we'll name it My Video 2. We'll click set. And then you can export it as a standard definition quality video. Now, if you do decide to upgrade, you can export it in HD or 4K, and it's really, really cheap. So you can pay as little as $5 a month, guys, to be able to export it in HD quality, okay? So just $5 a month, still really, really cheap. Otherwise, if you don't want to pay even that, you can export in standard quality, which is still fine and more than enough. So once you choose your option, you can go ahead and click export. And now you might have to give it a few minutes. The video is now going to be queued, so you have to give it a few minutes for the video to be available. And once that is done, we will be able to import this video into YouTube, and that's where we'll be uploading all these videos to. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video here for a few minutes, and I'm gonna show you the next step of how to upload this into YouTube and what the steps look like once we actually get the video up.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it took about 30 seconds, so very quick. What we're gonna do then here is click on download. And now the video has been downloaded, and what we're gonna do is head over into YouTube. If you don't have an account, simply create an account. We're going to head over into our YouTube studio, and in this YouTube studio, we're going to click create, we're going to upload video, and we're going to go ahead and drag this video right over here. And we can change the title as they did here on this channel. We can add a description. Now, the cool thing is that you can actually make more money than just the ads. So you can actually put your affiliate links here. So if your video is about how to get paid on Fiverr, maybe you want a link to an affiliate product on how to make money online. So for example, you can say, blah, blah, blah. here's how this works. And then we can say, if you want to learn more about how to make money online, click here to learn more. And then you can give them a link, like a ClickBank link or whatever offer you might have, like an affiliate product. So it'll be your ClickBank affiliate link. So you could say clickbankaffiliatelink.com, for example. For those of you that are using ClickBank, if you're not, if you're using Digistore, whatever, you can just add that here. So super, super easy. You can choose a thumbnail. You can create your own thumbnail. Okay, pretty straightforward, or you can leave it at something like that. That's up to you. Maybe you can add text here. Then we're going to go ahead and click next. For the details, you have to select no, it's not made for kids, or yes, if your video is for kids specifically, you can do that. We're going to then click next. We have nothing here for checks. Everything looks good. There's no copyright. We made the video ourselves. Visibility, we can set the video to private for now until we finish editing it, and then we can make it public. And we're going to hit save, and that is pretty much it. So we can go into contact, and you'll see your video right here. And you can go ahead and make it public whenever you're ready. And that is it. That is the idea. Like, we just created the same type of video here as Finance Girl did, okay? So really, really cool stuff. So if we go here, this is going to be our video. And I paused the sound so that you can hear me talking, but this is basically it, right? And again, this is standard definition quality. But this is the exact same thing that this channel here, guys, is doing to get almost 200,000 subscribers and getting tens of thousands of views on their videos. So you can do this yourself, guys, as well, and start making $8,000+ a month making YouTube videos as well. That is it for this video. If you guys want to learn more on how to make money online, I do have a 9-hour course showing you step-by-step how you can do it if you go to ivanmana.com/all-courses. Also, don't forget to take a look at my other videos where I show you other tricks and tips of making money online if you go to youtube.com/ivanmana. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.